Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here together with me in this video, and I will start with the topic of a fragrance topic, which would be 10 popular fragrances for women. The ones that I have in my collection, I chose 10 fragrances that would be kind of the most popular. We will start right now with Angel type of Mugler type of selection. So let's say, so basically, I think that Angel perfumes are very popular. I really think so. It happened that in my collection I have two of them, and this one is new. This one is new version. It's like a star, iced star is the name, and maybe more popular would be Aliens, but from what I have right now, I would consider that this Mugler brand of perfumes is popular, and I believe younger ladies would choose more this one because it's more sweeter and coconutty version, but maybe more mature ladies would choose this one, and I would probably definitely choose this one because this perfume is more interesting, not like, let's say, Alien or that old-fashioned Angel, so this one would be more interesting. It's Angel Muse, guys. And then we can proceed right now. We can proceed right now with, guys, with Armani. So Armani perfume, there are many popular Armani perfumes. Diamond is very, very popular because of its shape and that freshness that it has, and very sometimes appealing prices, because very often you can see some kind of nice discount, especially when Christmas is coming. I would consider this particular Diamond Armani perfume Christmassy type of perfume because of its shape, sparkly shape, and that scent as well, kind of can remind people of Christmas. And this perfume is, I would consider, very, very popular, guys. So that would be second popular perfume out of 10. I chose right now one popular fragrance from Zara, and that would be Gardenia. And very often, ladies buy this particular perfume because it's dupe for black opium, YSL black opium, and it's quite good dupe, and I quite enjoy this fragrance as well. And so for that reason, I would consider this particular perfume popular perfume number 3. Now, what perfume was popular in the past? And I would say that in the past, this perfume was very popular in the past, and basically it's Apple, DKNY Apple, and maybe not popular right now, but it used to be popular before. Another perfume that I have, so 1, 2, 3, so that would be the fourth one. This one is dupe for Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. So that Coco Chanel Mademoiselle is extremely popular, guys. I don't have that real version. I just happened to buy dupe from Lidl, for a matter of curiosity. And I don't like Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, and I ended up not wearing this one as well. It's just simply not my type of scent, although it seems to me kind of very similar, very, very similar. This perfume from Lidl was €3.99 or €4.99. It was very, very cheap. We can proceed right now with Armani. So another Armani perfumes that are popular is this one, is C, original version C, but there are so many other C's that woman has a great selection, and this C, I think, is the most popular. I have a small bottle here, but I think it's very popular to buy it for, let's say, for any present. If you are buying any present for lady or anything like that, it's very kind of gentle type of versatile, musky perfume that, many ladies likes it, and very easy type of perfume to decide to buy as a present. I also have the C Passione, which is to me similar to Cacciarella More in some ways, but maybe this one is better, So the other popular perfume that I happen to have is this one, is that's the Dolce & Gabbana, is La Imperatrice. La Imperatrice is the name, and they are so popular. Not so popular. I guess it's for the price popular, for that watermelon freshness that it has. It often goes in the top list of summer fragrances, like it's very easily included. It ended up for me not extremely likable perfume, but I still like to smell it. Sometimes, but it happened to me that it's not very, I don't grab it for some reason, but it's very, very popular, this Dolce & Gabbana perfume. Now, we will continue, guys, with Gucci Guilty perfume. This is my old bottle basically, and this there are also black bottle. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but there is a black version and there is this one, and they kind of seem similar to me, and it's very popular because of this golden bottle. For me, the scent, it kind of resembles this baby powder type of scent, very powdery scent. It's not my favorite by any means, but it's very popular in between of women. We will continue with, I included one Arabic Middle Eastern perfume that is very, very popular. It's by Latafa, Middle Eastern perfume, and it's Oud Mood, and basically it's for those people who wants to experience oud, in some way, so they go with this choice. It's kind of safe way, experience oud, and it's very popular in between of Middle Eastern perfumes, not designer, but Middle Eastern perfumes. Oud Mood by Latafa, it's unisex perfume. We will end up our journey of 10 popular perfumes with this one. This perfume is probably the most popular in between of eccentric molecules, and those people that wants to experience eccentric molecules. I started my journey with these perfumes, and I ended up like craving it for more and more, because I really enjoyed the way people would give me compliments and would chase me, and for that reason I found everything extremely interesting. So it's the most popular in between of eccentric molecules, but also it's popular for those people that likes to get compliments, guys, because sometimes, very often it happens, you smell a person and you kind of immediately know that that person is wearing eccentric molecules, because it has a very nice projection and scent bubble around you that wants to draw people in, so for that reason, it's kind of, this particular perfume is very famous. I really like all of the line there from eccentrics. This one seemed to be the most kind of, it's my fourth bottle or third bottle of the eccentric molecules, or one, so I really recommend you guys to try. So which one are, let's say, my favorite from these 10 popular perfumes? I would say this one would be number one, eccentric molecules, and then we would go for this one, Oud Mood by Latafa. It's my favorite. From Zara, it's actually Mimosa Cloud is my favorite, but this one is more popular than that one. And also from, let's say, if we talk about from these two, I think I would probably respect, guys, more this one because of the interest, but I really enjoy this particular, this particular star. I enjoy for this sweetness too, it's very interesting type of sweetness. So that's all, guys. I will probably end up my particular topic with 10 popular perfumes. Like each perfume, it's like a journey that can make our day kind of better and more enjoyable. So that's how I consider perfume. So for that reason, we should give a little thought every day when we start the morning to apply appropriate perfume for ourselves, so it will lift our mood throughout the day. Or if you want to have compliments, go with that one. It's going to give you compliments. If you want to have youthfulness, go with that one. It's going to give you coconutty type of scent, or especially if you're a younger person, you're going to like that one. If you want a mysteriousness, you can go with Angel Muse. If you want juicy perfume for the summer and sweet perfume, you can go with that one. And if you want, a class, then you can go with this one, class, with this one. Or as well, you can go with I only have a dupe, guys. This is Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, or C, Armani C Original. Class, you know, if you're that type of classy lady. Myself, I would go with eccentric molecules because I love compliments and I loved the way, the feeling of this particular perfume. And my mysterious type of oud perfume from the Eastern Perfume. So these would be my choices. Thank you very much, guys, for being here with me today. I will come back to you soon. Let me know what would be your type of popular perfumes that you have in your collection, and I will come back to you soon, only if you like this video. And have a great day. Bye bye, guys.